In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Slack account step by step. This is a quick and simple process, and by the end, you'll have your account set up and be ready to start using Slack for team communication and collaboration. Whether you're setting it up for work, a project, or a new organization, just follow along carefully and you should have no trouble at all. To begin, open your web browser and go to slack.com. Once the website loads, look near the top right corner of the page for a button that says Try for free or Get Started. Click that button to begin the sign-up process. Next, enter your email address and click Continue. If you prefer, you can also choose to sign up using your Google account or your Apple account. Any of these options will work, so just choose the one that is most convenient for you. After that, Slack will send a 6-digit verification code to your email inbox. Open your email and look for the message from Slack. If you do not see it right away, it's a good idea to check your spam or junk folder as well, since verification emails can sometimes end up there. Once you find the message, return to the Slack website and type in the 6-digit code exactly as it appears in the email. This step verifies your email address and helps keep your account secure. After your email has been verified, Slack will ask whether you want to create a brand new workspace or join an existing workspace for your company. Choose the option that matches your situation. If you're starting fresh for a team or organization, go ahead and create a new workspace. If your company already uses Slack, select the option to join the existing one. If you are creating a new workspace, you'll then be asked to enter the name of your team or organization. Type that in and click Next. Try to use a clear and recognizable name so it's easy for people to identify the workspace later. Next, enter your name and, if you want, upload a profile photo. Adding a photo is optional, but it can make it much easier for teammates to recognize you, especially in larger workspaces. Slack will then give you the option to invite coworkers by entering their email addresses. If you're ready, you can add them now. If not, simply click skip this step and come back to it later. To finish everything, click See Your Workspace. This will take you into your new Slack dashboard where your account is fully set up and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully created your Slack account and completed the setup process.